Hi, this is the FAIRPHONE 4 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. Open first the control panel, and here you'll see all of the available options on your panel. You could add here new options, another one, or just to remove some of them. Or if you want to just change the positions of the icons here, you should click here to this edit icon, and just to add some new options you should scroll here down. You'll find them here, and to add them to your panel you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. To remove icons from here by the same way, just hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, tap to the three dots and click to reset, or to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.